from last 6 hours.
I mean, when I say open, your
What is that, sir?
SPSS file like this.
Yeah, man.
All right. I'm going to find that same file that I sent to you. Remember the file that I sent now? You should have it saved somewhere or have it in download. Either way, wherever you have it. I will click on file.
And I want the requirements of each. And how it each requires Jesus. That is it.
I'm going on open data. I'm going to find that data.
Okay.
So I know where my one is. I'm trying to find mine. No, found it. Click on it. It's going to open for me. Open. Not this. Sorry. Something happened. Let me go back. Okay, it's still opening. Yeah. Did your one open like this?
Let me try this.
Where?
Just instruction. Go to file, open, locate where your file is. Whether what you downloaded is in downloads, whether you have saved it on the desktop, whether in document. I'm waiting on you, whatever challenges, let me know.
Sir, I'm still not clear. What am I to do?
All right. First, an email was sent to those who were in the same email with Mrs. Simone Walsh. If you go to that email, there are two files, one Word file, and the second one is an SPSS file. If you click on download all, they will be in your download. Now, after you have that completed, you're going to go to your own SPSS, and then the one you download from the company website or the one that I share with you, you will go to File, Open Data.
So it is HFLE.
Correct. That is what the name
Student and
is.
question. But it's not opening. It's not
No. Hold on. Let me stop sharing. Let's walk you through. All right. What's your name?
Winston.
Winston. Yeah, of course. Yeah, share your screen so we can walk you through. I can walk you
Share my screen. Share screen. Is it being seen now?
Yeah.
Yes. All right.
Yeah.
On your screen.
This
One
is in my
second.
email.
Yeah, 1 second, 1 second, 1 second, 1 second, 1 second. There should be a place in this email that allow you to download both at the same time. One second, go up. I saw something. Go up. The attachment on this message have been blocked for your safety. If you are starting this message is safe, click on it. Click on the message first.
Leave it alone.
Click on that. Click on that.
It's not reacting.
Because it was blocked by your, what is it now? You have
Hotmail.
no, not Hotmail. You have a security features that is blocking. Read this. Read it. Just read it. Read it.
The attachments on this message has been blocked for
Mhm.
your safety. If
Yeah.
you are certain that this message is safe, you can make it as not junk. So it is in junk to access attachment.
All right. That
So
is
I
your
move it
problem.
into regular message.
All right. So that's where
No,
your problem
see,
is.
look up at the top and you see it's not junk. So just click there, sir.
Click OK. All right.
So go in inbox now.
This are now hold on. Take note of what we did now, because this is not the only email you're going to get from me or from somebody else that will create problem like this. So always use the experience gained now to address anything similar to that, next time. Now, guess what now? You now have the file now. It says download all. Aha. Yeah. Now, she said download all now.
So I need to save this somewhere.
Well, if I were you, you could extract all to your desktop. Look at the top. Extract all. Extract. Look at extract all.
Where do I find that?
At the top. At the top. To the right. Look. Far right. Up. Yes. Somewhere there. Look. Oh, you move. No,
I'm not
no,
seeing.
no,
I'm seeing details.
No. Hold on.
Oh, right here. Extract all.
Yeah. Yeah. All right. Choose a place. Browse. Go to browse. Go to browse. Now select your desktop. All right, desktop. Oh, I think where you are now, look what you're doing, It says Winston personal desktop. So if you want to find it, that's where you're going to be,
Okay.
All right, it says select folder.
Select folder?
No, that's what it's saying. Just click on the desktop alone. And anyway, all right.
This one.
It's okay. Back to select folder. Come down, select folder. Click on it. Let me see what happens. All right. Extract. Click on extract. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So it's on your desktop now. Now, minimize where you are now. Just minimize. So did you have the SPSS ready now on your machine? Okay, now go to file to the left. Oh, no. All right. Click X. Click X to close this box. Now go to file. File. No, not. Okay.
Go to data.
No, go to file.
Where's
to the file,
file right
file.
here.
Yeah, open. data, desktop, desktop, desktop on your left, on your left. All right, you could use that, please. Anyone, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, look at it there. Look at the HFLE.
Okay, see it right here.
All right. Click on it. Click on it. Open. That is you now. Okay. All right.
Okay.
So stop sharing. Any other person having similar problem?
Yes, sir, me.
So did you see what we just did with him now?
Sir, I'm not seeing the email. I'm not seeing the email at all, sir. That's the first issue.
Okay, so which means you
Bad
may not
jump.
be,
But
how do we, all right. Winston, do you know his email address? You know Daniel Bell's email address?
Daniel, tell me email address. Let me check if it's there now.
So that you can forward to him.
Teacher, right, that chat. Something like. See that? Hold on, drop it there so. Then I chat.
Yeah, boy, it's sent to you, Daniel.
But
See your name, man. See your name, Pani Daniel. Yeah. You have one at GC Faster, EDU.
I don't even know there's something for that one there, brother. I don't know the password to that.
That it's sent to.
I don't know that. I don't remember that.
Daniel,
Present.
just send me your email. Let me forward it to you.
Yeah, I posted in the chat a while ago.
Okay.
Oh, good. All right, then. When I mash up the place, my youth. I have a place untidy.
Daniel, have you given me your email address? Hello? Are you hearing me? Am I being heard?
Yes, sir. He sent it in the chat. He sent it in this chat.
Okay, all right. So you can send it to him. All
Yes,
right.
in the Zoom chat.
So is there anyone having similar problem? Can we move on now? All right. So we don't want to leave anyone behind, but
A question, sir. The team here, so the one of the file is a SPSS file.
that is correct.
Okay, great.
And the other one is a questionnaire.
Nice.
So let's look at the questionnaire first, and then we can look at the data. All right. Let's see how to manage all of them. I'm looking for the same question here that I just sent to you. Mhm. Coming up, coming up, coming up. Coming up. Coming up, it's coming up. Okay.
So,
Somebody saying something? Daniel, you saying something?
yes, sir. Can I just share my screen just to be certain
No
about
problem.
something?
All right. Go ahead, Daniel.
Uh, this is how it should look, right?
Yeah,
And this
Yeah,
should look
that's-
like this?
that's correct.
All right, sir. That's what I be sure. All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah, man.
Any other person having any challenges? Okay, it appears that all is well.
Oh, sir,
Yeah.
how we should have is the thing there. Showing up is the SPSS file, showing the parish region ownership, etc. And you should open the Microsoft Word. For
No,
the,
no. Don't open the word. I will open the word and discuss that one. Don't
okay,
worry.
just ensure that SPSS file is open.
Correct.
Okay, excellent.
I think somebody want to say something before you, a female. Hello? Okay, maybe the person is okay. All right. All right. You're seeing my screen now, right?
Sir,
Yes, go ahead.
all right, I know I am behind, but I'm trying to catch up. I spoke to you this evening, read the download. Which one, when I go back to the manual one, which one should I download? Download the Windows 64 or download from Mac OS?
All right, let's take it one at a time. Where did you went? SPSS IBM.
Yes, sir.
If you go to SPSS IBM, you give them your email address and everything.
Yes, all of that, and it reach download, and
All
it
right.
says, right.
Well, can I ask you whether your computer is Windows-based? Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
All right. If it is Windows-based, it's Windows you will download.
Because what I'm getting here, there are two options. Download minimum system requirement. Yes, and it says download for Windows. And I did that, and what came up now? I got something in download, but when I clicked on it, let me see if I can share my screen so that you could see. All right, I have to open that. Or while I speak, let me just tell you what I'm seeing when I download it. Because
But you can share your screen as well.
okay. Share screens. Oh, let me see if I can navigate that now. Yeah, these are the two. You're seeing what is here?
Yeah, the top one is what you should
Yes.
download.
Yes, I did went to that, and this is what I got. Here, you're still seeing my screen.
Yes, we are seeing your screen.
All right, and I clicked on it. This is the message that came up. And I click no.
No, let's see it. We are not seeing it.
You're not seeing it? Oh,
No.
well. You're seeing this though, SSPSS statistics.
We are seeing that, yeah.
Right, and when I click, or should I right click and click open? Because I already downloaded it.
All right, 1 second. Did you get an email from the company?
Yes, I did. And it says,
Did they give you a code and so on?
code.
Or you didn't get any code?
That was, no, not for the last thing, but I got the code in order for me to get on, the 7-digit code.
Okay, try run as an administrator for it. Is this laptop belongs to you?
Yes, sir.
It does not belong to your organization. All right,
Belongs
try
to
to
me.
run as an administrator. Come to the right. Run as an administrator.
Okay.
Yeah, let's see.
Still saying, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device?
Say yes. Say
All
yes.
right. All right, yes.
Those are some of the issues. Yeah. Okay, you get in there now. Say next. I accept. I accept. Next. 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 Install. Install. This part will be based on the process of your machine, how fast it is in order to get the files and to have it installed. But don't worry, it will be done. Only that other members of the class will have to be patient and accommodate you because you have already explained to everyone that you were not there last class. So we will have to wait.
Yes, sir.
I'm listening.
While waiting, I can ask you a few questions.
Go ahead.
How was church yesterday?
How was what?
Church yesterday.
Oh, I pray on my bed because it rained in Mandeville.
Why? Why?
At least it's all about praying. It's not really the physical church that is important. Is that correct?
No, no, sir. It's not all about praying. It's about fellowship.
Well, I will fellowship next week. But the rain did not allow me to make that part, but I pray.
Yeah, you know, easy, sir. That's easy, you know.
The second question now, about the first one.
Where in Africa are you from, sir?
I'm from Nigeria.
From Nigeria.
Yep.
That's where Lagos is.
Well, Lagos is in Nigeria.
Yeah.
That's correct.
Oh, that's your village.
There are 36 states in Nigeria. So Lagos State is one of them. But many people know it as a Lagos, but it's a state. Just like you'll have the state of Florida, the state of New York, and so on and so forth.
Okay.
But that's
So
where
which
I'm from.
state are you from?
Yeah, that's where I'm from. That's
Oh,
where I
you're
grew up.
from that state. Okay.
Yeah. All right, 1 second. Hold on. Hold on. It says start IBM. All right, it says finish. Finish now. All right. So it's on launch now. Did it take long for it to open when we reach this stage, Winston?
What was that, sir? Didn't.
It didn't. Why is it taking long for her now?
Sir, but I think the others use the
Yes.
one, the second one that you gave them. This is the first one. Most of them use the second one that you gave them.
No, sir.
No.
I was the first. I mean, was the first person who don't know this in that class last week.
You bent, and you
Yeah.
don't remember if it, and you didn't remember. I would have finished in a bent.
So now, so you're gonna get it now.
What do I do next, sir?
Oh boy. Log in with I think you get IBM ID. Yeah, they give you ID. Yeah.
ID?
Yeah.
Your password is ID.
Yes. So you see, that's why it's not good to speak based on an assumption. You go on an assumption, it's your brain quickly counteract and say that was not the case. So if you don't know something, say I don't know. But if you go on an assumption, people will tell you say it doesn't work. So I think the ID will be your email. Remember the email that you got with some code, something.
The email, but nothing comes up after I click.
No, go back to that email.
Oh, that email.
Right.
Holy.
How do I get there now?
All right. Minimize and go to your email. Because I don't think you write it down.
My email. Oh, this is saying email BMI. So this is the email. I should put in the email address.
No. When you were doing this from the beginning, IBM will have sent you a code.
Right.
And that is your email. Can you go to your email?
Oh, that is the code. All right, I can go to my email on my phone. So let me just use that up. Okay, the code. Subscription ID, that's it?
Yeah, try it.
5133 2814. Nope. That's not it. 5133. Oh, I see 13. Go again. 51333 2814.
All right. I think we are going to give you the
Or
opportunity.
maybe it's the password that I use. Let me try again. Let me use the odd capital J.
All right. After you do this, if you don't succeed, we're going to allow you to do that privately. But if you can get that
Question, sir.
Go ahead.
Yeah, this is the first one. This is not the free one, don't it?
No, yes, this is the first one.
Is that the free one that then? So, sir, what I think could be done is that I am, you can let me know if you agree. It's for her to just use the free one, because the free one will be easier to handle.
All right.
Yes, so I sent to the WhatsApp. If sir agree, I sent to the what I sent it in WhatsApp. Your thing there. So you can open it on the computer. Phyllis.
One second. Phyllis,
Yes, sir.
we're going to allow you to find that email where you reach now. Once you find that email and you find that code, you'll be fine with this.
Okay,
So
sir.
you're going to stop sharing now so you can move on.
No problem.
Then
Okay,
the
sir.
second alternative, which your colleague is suggesting, is that everybody gets this email through through WeTransfer. But since the WeTransfer was not sent to you, if the link was sent to you, perhaps you can also download the SPSS 16. Kimona Vassal just got it today. Maybe Kimona can send to your email the code to be able
Yes,
to.
sir, I have it because it download for me, sir.
I know. Kimona, can you call Phyllis
Phyllis?
privately?
Yes.
Get her
Okay.
email address and send it to her.
Okay, sir, no problem.
All right. Thank
And
you.
also,
Thank you.
sir, I sent her the file for the
Phyllis, send me
sir.
an email on WhatsApp. Please let me forward it to you now, please.
Okay, no problem. Thanks.
Here, sir. So if it still doesn't work out, I've sent her the file itself.
I think she's listening. So let's continue. Because you could multitask, giving her support while also doing some more work. All right. So share screen. So let's start with the questionnaire. Are you seeing my screen now with the questionnaire?
Yes, sir.
All right. I participated in this study in 2007. That's a long time now. It was sponsored by Japan International Cooperation Agency for the Ministry of Education, rather. And the focus is on health, family life education, baseline survey to know how much student knows when it comes to health, family life, education, and that is taught to grade 5 to grade 9 students in that way. So the focus was on grade 5 and grade 9. So some of you, for your project, you're going to develop a questionnaire. Some might do it using Google form. Some might choose to use the traditional method by having a paper just as this. So either way, let us say you have a questionnaire like this. You have an introduction. You have a section called basic information. Some people might call it demographics. You have other sections now that seeks to gain information from your study participants or target population. So as you see it now, section B want to find out from the student their level of knowledge, their attitude, the skill they possess when it comes to HIV as well as AIDS. So students, we start off with whether they know anything about HIV and AIDS. Some will say yes, some will say no. And then no other questions will follow. True, false, don't know. True, false, don't know. True, false, don't know. Now, you, the researcher, now you have a question here as this. You have to have a skill how to code yes as 1, no as 2. Some people might even code yes as 1, no as 0. They might also code true as 1, false as 2, don't know as 3. So when they do those coding now, it's like somebody taking a hard copy, just hard copy, and you could even use a soft copy to say, okay, I'm going to represent yes as 1, you see, and I'm going to represent no as 2. When you start to build up that is what we will call coding template. That's your coding template, which you're going to use to guide your data entry into SPSS and some other software that you intend to use. So there are 22 questions here, or items. Some are statement, if you notice. If you look at it from 6 going down, number 5 is a question, but 6 coming down is a statement. Do you agree or you disagree with me?
I agree.
Okay. And statement can mean different things to different people.
Yes.
Based on experience, knowledge of English language, exposure. So, and that's why I always advise teachers, non-teachers, never argue with people, because somebody asks something, it is based on how much they can communicate it to you. But it does not mean that you must compare yourself with the level of communication, but you must try to understand them. If you don't, you must try to seek what? Clarification. But most time, people judge other person. They say, boy, why is he speaking like that? But you don't know his experience. So experience, depth of reading, exposure, all of this helps to break down information. Now, the fact that the target is grade 5 and 9, level of comprehension will vary when it comes to some of these statements. See, so I think up to question, how much question? 4, I think it goes to 67. 67 in the item. So all kind of question. In fact, there's one that is so interesting. That, let me see a question that says about, I think.
Get hold of me?
I can't remember. Okay, let's leave it alone. So let's go back to the. All right, let's go to the SPSS now. In the SPSS now, some of you, this is not the way your own look like. If I go to view and I go value label, it will look like this. Does your own look like this? Take a look. Does it look like this? Look at my screen.
Yes, sir. So
This is data view. This is data view. All right, walk with me.
Mine doesn't look that way, sir.
All right, I know why. Go to view, go here, and click on value label. View and value label.
When I click on view, you hear me?
I'm hearing you.
All right, sir. See some only part of things. I see government, old harbor, all of those nice things coming up. Falls, true.
Don't
Yeah, man.
worry.
Look,
We're going to help
looks
you.
like what you have on screen now.
I didn't hear you. You look like this now?
Yes, sir. Looks
All
like
right.
that.
All right, go view. Click on value label again.
And it come off. Oh, okay.
All right. Now let's go to variable view. Variable view is where you, the researcher, have to program all the items on the questionnaire. So for these questionnaire, we had used ST rather than using question number 1, number 2. So these are all the questions. And if you remember, somebody saying something?
No, sir.
Like somebody's mic is on. Huh? Okay. So the label now is actually what the item is. These are the item. So for example, now parish. What is the parish of the student? As I said, parish is category. So it is nominal. It is nominal. And we can code it into 14, starting from 1, 2, 3. There are 14 parishes in Jamaica, you see now? So we go wrong until we reach St. Catherine. The regional offices of the Ministry of Education at the time of this study, what they have is 6. Do they still have 6 or the number change?
6 it is.
6, okay. All right.
Let me see those locations.
All right.
Yeah,
You mean
and they
you
are
mean
still correct. They are
the
still
region?
correct.
Okay.
Yeah, they are still correct.
Okay. All right. At that time we did this work, the ministry was involved. They deliberately don't want to use, they say government and private. And when it comes to location of schools, they choose not to use the word rural. They use urban, non-urban, and none. This is their definition. That is the ministry. Remember, say, we might choose to have a way to say rural schools, especially you coaches, you love to use the word rural schools, but the ministry don't use that word. Yeah. So you could understand now that when doing some work with the government, they have their definition. And we now who appears to be, we have our own definition as well. So everybody have a way of solving problem. School type, we have primary school, primary and junior, secondary high, technical school, all age, preparatory, all age and infant, primary and infant. So if you notice, all of those ones are actually nominal coming down. Ideally,
Question, sir.
Go ahead.
Question. I keep seeing this word nominal. Can you please remind me what is nominal?
No problem. Let's go back to the PowerPoint again.
Like age and gender, something we measure in terms of numbers.
No, we actually went through the PowerPoint, that has to do with levels of measurement. Every item on a data gathering instrument have a level, and there are 4 levels. Ratio, interval, nominal, and ordinal. Look at it. I have posted this in the WhatsApp, you know. Look at it again. If you don't remember this, you will not be able to indicate what level is that item. Because you must be able to indicate what the level is so that when you are trying to do some analysis, things can work. So look at it now. Are you seeing it now? If you look
Yes,
at
sir.
the WhatsApp,
Yes, sir.
yeah, I have it there as well.
Categories such as gender. Okay.
So you have to
So that
remember.
means it is set then.
It's not about set.
It is definite.
Yeah, this is the definition. This, in my view, should have been done in your research method class, but I didn't expect you to remember everything in that class.
Okay, sir.
That's why I bring it back again so that
Yeah, but I don't expect to remember all of it too, sir.
So it should not be fair to anyone to be thinking that they remember everything. Anybody who claims to know everything or remember everything is fooling himself. Because if you know everything, that's 100%. But I expect to be say like 90, 80%, you know, say the remaining percentage is work in progress. Is that correct? So some of the items are not defined correctly. For example, the one that has to do with from STO6, they should have been recorded as, because if you notice, the student will have to evaluate before they can say something is true or the thing is what? Or is false. So ideally, from STO6 coming down should have been changed to ordinal. So you can, yeah. So you can change it.
But that would be ordinal, sir. The true and false.
All right. Let's help you to understand it. The ordinal.
Based on what I'm seeing,
finish talking.
the ordinal has to deal with the measurement. You know, like what proportion of it. It is proportionate. That is what I'm getting from the ordinal. So that, I don't know how true and false would fit right there.
All right.
If you
Look
strongly agree, or
look
1
at-
out of 10, 5 out of 10, that
No.
sort of thing.
Look. It has to do with what? Ranking.
Yeah, variables, ranking, measurement, example, including the use of scale. Yeah,
Ranking.
ordinal.
All right.
So
Let's
strongly
go.
agree. That is
No.
what I was saying, sir.
Yeah. All right. We'll go back. So
this is nominal, sir. The yes or no is nominal.
Wait. I'm talking about STO6. So you ask a student that if, oh, sorry, I need to go back. You ask a student that a person can get HIV virus, right? That causes AIDS because they're having sex just once. I'm saying that from that
Yes, I know.
question coming down, they are evaluative. It's either somebody must have told the student they don't listen, or they have read a book, or they have watched, like a program that educates them. Because it's evaluative, they will then be deciding whether it is true, whether it is false, or they don't know. So for that reason, it's going to be ordinal. Order is important in what they are going to respond, or they're going to. There's an orderly fashion. You understand what I'm saying now?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, because the nominal one is based on category. You don't need to think, You're just going to say yes or no, male or female. But if something, you have to brainstorm to answer the question. Order is important to you, who is the respondent. You can't just open your mouth, For that reason, we we are going to classify as ordinal. So coming down from STO6, going down, they will be ordinal. So when somebody give you something, don't just assume say everything is correct. But you could check it using the knowledge you have gained. So I don't want you to be assuming, say, if somebody says something is right, you have to validate it as well, especially nowadays when you have AI and you have information on social media, you might think that part of a place. Some people will even tell you, say, Jamaica is Kingston. Some people will tell you that Papin is Kingston. Is Papin Kingston? Let me hear from you.
St. Andrew, that, sir.
Thank you. But some people will say it. These are these. So please change from row 13 coming down all to be ordinal, because we're going to do something that require the correct level of measurement to be there. And I'm going to tell you why, because I want to make sure, say, you know why we do certain thing, why we don't do it. Because when you get to do your own now, you will not be saying, boy, you know, I didn't know. Let's see who first get there, whether Winston will get there before Daniel. Okay, I think.
Sir, where does the ordinal start from again?
Row 13.
13.
So sorry, you can't just click one big thing and just change everything down. You have to do them one by one to make the
All
change.
right, give it a try. It's good to experiment.
Yes,
And then
sir.
now, when you get through that experiment, you're a teacher, you can teach us too. We are willing to learn from you. Oh, that sound. Oh, that sound.
So I broke you while my computer broke down, man. While my
No.
computer mash up and broke.
You can afford a new one.
Daniel, them can experiment, man, and Milton them.
Sir, you know, easy. You're a real quenga, sir.
So, you through now, or you're still doing something?
I think, sir, this shows how to do it all of them one time, if memory serves me correct. Am I wrong, sir?
I don't recall.
You don't recall.
Oh boy.
But,
So when you through, let me know. Then we move to the next phase.
so change everything in ordinal.
I didn't say everything. I said from row 13 coming down.
From row 13 coming down ordinal.
So sorry, should I do that too? Sir, should we be doing that too?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
All right,
yes,
thanks.
yes.
Remember from row
From row
13.
13.
Yeah.
All right.
Remember now, you are in variable view. Are you through? Do you need 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes more?
I'm through, sir.
You are through.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then yeah. All right. Let's ask from Winston and Daniel Ben to know whether they are true.
Two minutes more, sir.
You fin 2 minutes more.
2 minutes, sir, yeah.
All right, no problem.
Finish, sir.
Sir, sir,
Go ahead.
I am seeing on mine from 37 down. It was already in ordinal. That was okay.
Yeah, that's fine.
And I'm seeing from 53 to 57, it says nominal again. Then we go back to,
Change it to ordinal.
so, okay, so that means I have a few of them. And I'm seeing some at the bottom, the last set, they are saying nominal again.
Change it to ordinal.
All right.
Because the student have to be able to brainstorm
Well,
and think to answer
this requires some amount of thinking, reasoning.
Yes. So when you two create questionnaire, if items there will require respondent to brainstorm and think, if you are using this software, then level of measurement will be ordinal.
So, sir, so it is similar to like what we would call when we are doing item writing, recall questions. The nominal one would be like recall questions.
No, nominal one will be like fact. Things that you can't change. You don't need to brainstorm. You don't need to think about it. If you ask, you know, what parish are you from? What are you thinking about? You just going to say, I'm from St. Catherine. Am I?
Okay.
And if
All
you
right.
say, what grade am I? They won't think so much. They just give you the answer.
I'm done then, sir. I'm done now.
You finish now. Okay.
Yeah.
So we're assuming that everybody is done now. Now, let's go to the data view. If you scroll down, check how many students respond to this survey. Just go down and tell me the last row. What is the last row for you?
5,186.
All right. That is a large sample. So if you want to do your study, how many people you think you should be looking for now?
Sir, question. When you click on data view, for parish, I'm seeing Portland.
When I click on data view,
I'm seeing Portland. I'm not seeing any numbers.
oh, There's a reason. Go to view,
View, yeah.
value label.
Value label, yeah.
What are
Okay.
you seeing now? What are you
I'm
seeing now?
seeing numbers now. Okay.
Okay, wonderful. So I'm saying that if you want to conduct a study, don't go and collect 5 students, 10 students, and in order to finish your study quick and submit. Don't do it that way. You know, think about numbers going 100, 200, 300. You know, that will make the information much more robust. Anyway, I'm still going to teach you how to calculate sample size. But don't take a shortcut to say, you know, I want to get my final year project and get it out quickly and get my degree. I'm going to get 5 students there to just come and answer this and run some things. Don't do it that way. So we have 5,186 students across the island. Now, the basic information, you could choose to do graphs for those ones and tables. So, which is what we have been doing for the past maybe a week or two. So, if we go analyze, am I right? Descriptive, frequency. So, you could have the parish to the right, region to the right, ownership to the right, location to the right, school type. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So those 5 variables are variables that are category. Look at their category, they are nominal. And nominal variables like that, we could illustrate them with graphs like bar, pi, to show the spread in addition to the frequency table. So we can go chart. What kind of chart do you want? Tell me. Which of the chart do you want?
Pie chart.
Why do you like pie so much? All right. I think for some of them, the pie may not be best for them. For example, parish is about 14. So the slice of the cake might be very small.
So use the bar chart.
Because you have to really look at it in a way, or it will look. So let's use percentages. We could use the frequency. Frequency, I'm going to say continue now, and okay. Now, is your own looking like mine? Look at it.
So how did we get the percentage again? Just go back to the mistake, please.
Percentage. But let me go analyze. Chart. I didn't use the percentage. I use frequency. See? Am I making sense, Miss?
All right, so you click on charts, then bar, then percentage, okay.
No, I use frequency.
Frequency, okay, no problem.
And I say continue.
Okay.
And here it is. You won't look like this, Winston?
Sir, me now watch you do yours, sir. So me go try it now. Me don't know how much me remember still. So I should go on what? View.
All right.
Yeah, go back, analyze.
Analyze.
Yeah, but you know.
I'm last, so me I go and look.
Analyze. Then what now?
This
Frequency.
table, statistic, then frequency.
Hold on.
And
Where you find that when you're done? Because me do it, me not see it.
okay, analyze frequency. And then you're going to select all these 5 to the right. And then now you go chart and you select bar and frequency and continue. And you come back and say, okay. All right, for those who are not seeing what the output is, go down below your screen. You will see the SPSS and you will see the output. Just click on it, it will come up. Just go way
All
down.
right, sir. All right, sir. I have my 5 to my right now. Parish, region, ownership, location, and school type.
So now go to CHARTS.
Oh, charts.
Select bar.
All right.
And then
Yeah.
select frequency and continue.
Frequency, it is highlighted.
And
Continue.
then now select OK.
Wow.
And
Oh, sick. Oh, sick. I see some things on my screen, sir.
That is
okay.
it. That is it.
Okay. Can you export it now into a Word or Excel sheet
Oh,
of your own?
Jesus.
Just
Oh, Jesus.
get that skill as well.
Export.
Yeah.
All right.
Because that skill was taught last week, you know.
Sir, I'm still not finding my output.
Don't worry. Let me stop sharing. All right. Go ahead and share.
Yeah, like me move from back into us like you're going to know.
Oh, Jesus.
All right. Share with us. Share with us.
I'm trying to share, yes, sir.
No problem.
No, wrong one. Let me share. Hold on. Shared. Hold on. You seeing it now, sir?
Okay. All right. Scroll up. Let's see first. Scroll up. Scroll up. Scroll up. You are not scrolling up. We are not seeing anything. Then can you click on the SPSS?
You're not seeing it?
We are seeing it, but I want you to scroll up.
Okay, yeah. I scroll all the way up, so I don't know.
Like you freeze, sir. Like you freeze.
It looks so. Share again. Let's see. If you have a fan there, you can turn it on the machine whether you need more support to cool off.
You know, sir.
It's a machine hot.
Yo, sir, you are so talking. You know, you're not joke you're trying making about. Boy, I mean, I tell you, when you say it, it's different.
Look at it now. Look at it now. It show up now. If you use a machine under air condition and use a machine where there is no fan and where
Then I am machine overheat.
Hot, not Mexico.
You want cool down.
No.
So you have it now.
Yes, sir.
So what happened is that when you were complaining, it was doing the work, but it hasn't finished.
Machine slow. Cool down.
So I mean have it.
Who said don't have it?
Daniel.
Daniel? Which one are you using now, Daniel? The 16 or the other one?
What?
All right. Which of the SPSS are you using now? The one you download from the company?
The newer one.
All right, don't worry. Show us your screen.
All right, Daniel. Move to the back of class now, Daniel.
So I'm born at the back of class today. That's how we are learning.
Okay, you say you have run all right, go to the far right, Daniel. Yeah, click over there, where you are, click on it. Scroll down. Okay. All right, go to analyze. Analyze. No, not power. No, descriptive statistics. Frequencies. Yeah. You see? You see your problem? Hold on. Just stay where you are. Look at what you did. You haven't done anything. Now start to move them to the right. Move them to the right one by one.
This?
Yeah. Click on it. Go to the next one. You move it back. Click on the region now. No.
Oh, region.
It's okay. Leave it alone. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. All right, go to shots to the right. Select bar. Continue. Click OK. Look at the magic now. So you didn't do the work? So Daniel, what you going to do now? Do you remember that skill of trying to export into Word or Excel? Do you still remember?
No, sir, because I wasn't here last week.
Sir, you go to the open space on the right and right click and click on export.
Okay. All right. Stop. Daniel, stop sharing. Let that young lady walk us through. But that young lady, she's now becoming assistant lecturer.
Yeah, finally. That is it.
Sir, I did mine already,
So, see that?
Do it again.
All right.
All right. Go by what kind of class now?
Sir, my computer freeze up. I don't know why.
Oh boy.
Too hot.
So I'm go again. So I'm go again.
All
Then
right,
I
go
already
ahead.
tell her why.
It'll freeze up bad, man.
Where did I go from here, sir?
How for TV this a movie? If you talking, man. Cause me like hear audio too, you know.
Oh.
Yeah, man, me want hear what you do.
No, sir, me away pan. To talk.
Oh, me? Oh,
yes, sir.
Okay, go to browse.
Yeah.
All right. Select your desktop.
My desktop.
Yeah, just go up, scroll up. Desktop. All right, give it a name. Give it your name. Give it Daniel. Is Daniel? Is that Daniel?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Give it Daniel. Daniel 1. No space. No space.
Question, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Save now. Yes, go ahead.
Everything was supposed to carry over for the frequency?
No, we only select 5.
Just
say
5
okay now. Okay. Okay. So what we carry is what we want to illustrate, and their parish, region, location. Because it is not all the variables that we can illustrate properly. So scroll down for us to see. You see now? You see?
Yes, sir.
So the first thing you want to do is to be able to produce figures and tables for
What on this,
demographic
sir? What on this, sir?
information. Yeah.
I am trying to export, but I'm running into some problem. When I try,
So what is the problem that you are running into?
when I'm exporting, sir. Let me share. Right?
Right.
Good. So when I'm exporting,
We're not seeing your screen.
you're not seeing it?
No.
Really?
You're not sure, boss.
Oh, me never press okay. Is it sharing now? Good. Am I being seen now?
Yeah.
I should go to browse now, right?
Right. You know, click OK if you export it. No, man, come back over that.
I did click the.
So OK,
let me show
bottom,
you.
you know.
So okay, now I did click on export, right?
So OK, sir.
So what do I click? Okay now?
No, hold on. Click browse.
Browse first?
Yeah, I know me hear something about browse.
It's okay. Go to desktop.
Oh.
Yeah, we want to save this file.
See if it did.
Yes, you know, same man to save it, yeah.
All right. Give it your name now. Winston. Type Winston 1.
All right, HFLE.
All right, no problem. That's fine. After that, you can say save. Okay, you will see it on your desktop.
Okay. So it now, take now. Oh, save. Then okay.
Then go to your desktop to find it.
Oh, Jesus. All right, sir. All right. Thank you. Stop sharing. Oh, Jesus. This is me.
So Winston, now you're gone. We don't see you finding on the desktop yet.
Oh, Kimona, me for sure that too. Well, we not believe in me. Believe in me,
No, we
man.
just
Say
want to
done.
ensure so you get it, man. That's all.
Where they accept them now?
That's why you shouldn't stop
Oh, see it
sharing
here?
it to help you.
No. All right, let me share. Oh, Jesus. I feel like a handicap. Share. You seeing it now?
You're going to your file them and search it.
Then if it ain't on my desktop, I have to search. Me not just open my desktop and see it.
Open it, no problem. Open it. What you save it as?
HFLE.
Okay, there it is. Open it. See it there.
Desktop. This seat here.
Yeah, so just open it and look at it. Now worry about what me now, yeah.
Oh, God. Woman. Like this? This is it?
Yes, you are correct.
Look at it. Just scroll and look at it and you'll
You are
confirm
correct.
there it is. Excellent job. We're so proud of you.
I'm proud of me too. Thank you.
So on this scale, you will need them to conduct any quantitative study. You need them. So I'm happy that statistics is not difficult, but the tool to do statistics can be very interesting. Once it's just like you want to be a mechanic, but you don't have the right tool, you will not be able to deal with the engine. You might not even be able to remove a tire from a car because you don't have the right tool. Once you have the tool, you will be able to do very well to the whole thing. The rest, the formula already programmed into the software already. So you should be able to manage it. So what we have done so far now, ideally to be able, let me go back to the shared screen. So ideally what happened is that for you to use the software, you have to know data entry. You should be able to enter the data manually in every questionnaire. If it is Google form, should be able to copy and paste or export after you'll have created your variable view for everything to look like this. Once you have that skill, you can work in Timbuktu, you can work in Japan, you can work in Tokyo, anywhere in the world, you can analyze any data. So it's to get the data into the right format, into the software, to be able to take advantage of the efficiency that you're going to get. So now, let's pay attention now. Parish, religion, ownership, location, school type. These are nominal variables. These variables are illustrated by table. That table contains frequency, percentage, and we use a bar to also show graphically how they look like. So for that reason, if you want to illustrate demographic variables, you could repeat what we just did now. Use the same skill. Now, the student ID, we gave the student a number because we don't want their name to be known. So rather than having their name, we gave them a number. Now, look at the schools now. Each of the schools are here. This one is what? This one is, okay, STO2 is the gender of the student. So if we go view, value label, you will see female and male showing up. You see the age. Now, so we could repeat what we did now for STO2, STO3, STO4, as well as STO5. So let's go back, analyze.
Sir, out of curiosity, sir, before you move into that, I recognize that you have been using codes and numbers. However, I am seeing where the school names are showing.
Right, the school name, we didn't code the school name, we type it out.
Yeah, so my question is that in any instance, we are allowed to code school names, or it is okay to leave that there?
All right.
Because I'm assuming because of ethical practices, you don't want to reveal the information and with the Data Protection Act and all of that. So I'm wondering if the school will also be affected by these issues. Then
Right.
something like a school or a club or whatever.
Okay, there are two ways to look at it. At the time this study was done, 2008, the Data Protection Act has not been in place. Okay, number two, the purpose of having the school name and so on and so forth is because the ministry wants to know where the knowledge base in this institution are very low, so they can have more training done for the teachers in the school. But if it is just me and you doing the study, not the ministry, what you said will come into place. We will use something to code the school name. Have I answered your question now?
Got you, sir. Got you. Got you.
Yeah, because it was a ministry work, you know. They only employed me to be part of the work because of my knowledge base. and another Japanese person, but it is actually government work. So government can't hide information from itself. So what I'm sharing with you is government data to teach the class.
I'm
You
just
get
here
me?
thinking, I'm just thinking here,
Mm.
as a independent
Yeah,
researcher,
well,
you know,
you're correct. As an independent researcher, it will
yeah,
not be. It will not be there.
you know, doing my research, and I might be doing my research on a sports club or sports clubs, you know, if it would be okay for me to add their name right here,
No,
you
no,
know,
no,
just like you did, or
no.
I would have to go ahead and, you know, conceal those by coding, by a
You
way of
have to.
coding.
You have to do that. Yeah, you have to conceal
Got
it.
you,
Yeah,
got you.
yeah.
Mm.
Because the truth is that they will have given you those information based on the fact that you are not going to indicate one who is in the study. Now they trust you now. So any other question before we move on? Okay. So I want us to repeat the steps, go internalize, return those variables to the left, and then now we're going to put in the gender, the grade. We're going to put in STO2, STO3, STO4, and STO5. So let's go one more time. Analyze frequencies. So let's have them to the left, to the left, to the left, to the left. So let's take the sex of the student to the right, the age, and the grade. And do you know anything about HIV? So I have 4 variables now, and I would like everyone to do the same thing so that we can see what the answer will be.
Same bar charge frequency, sir.
Yeah, let's leave it that way. Don't trouble it. Just leave it that way, and then we can say okay. And
What is it you're putting in? To the left now, sir.
oh my God, Winston, look at the screen again.
So they are in the middle, Winston, the variables that are already there that you used before, you're gonna bring them back over to the left. So you're gonna use the arrow to bring them back over the left, and then you're gonna take sex, age, grade, and whatever, sir. And do you know, put it in the right section as sir have on the screen.
Yeah, that is what I was asking. What is
Yeah,
it that you're going to put there? I understand how to
whatever.
get them back, you know.
Yeah,
But I
man. Whatever
wanted to
you're
know
seeing.
what I
See
wanted
here.
what to,
All right, go ahead. I'm listening.
I wanted to just know what was going to go to the right. And you
Yeah,
say it
man.
is
The
6?
sex, age, the grade,
Okay.
and yeah, whatever you're seeing in the right box are the variables.
STF4
Sir, I
and
did it.
5.
Can I share my screen?
No,
I'm not talking to you. Your name, sir? You're my boss.
Oh boy, we have to laugh.
you notice Winston I try get something more, you already do it. So just wait your turn.
I'm not talking to you, my lad.
Wait
Something
your
wrong with them out?
turn. I'm
Something wrong with
coming
them out?
again with Winston. Wait your turn, sir.
Something
Winston,
wrong with them
are
out?
you okay?
And then I will click OK after I get
Yes.
them, right?
Yeah, man.
Yes.
Yeah.
I never
Got
click
it now?
statistics first.
Yep, all right. So it should already be on charts. So you click charts, and then to your left, you're gonna use the bar chart and enter at the bottom. It's on frequency, not percentage. And then you click the OK from there.
Yeah,
Hold
man.
them,
Then me not have that, man. Me
All
have
right,
it, man.
excellent. Okay, great.
hold them bus mouth. That is it.
Excuse me. Fix your
Excuse.
statement and don't pass your place. We're not gonna go there. Fix your statement.
Are you
Hold
aware
on.
that this class is being recorded?
Hold on,
So
there, man.
imagine if somebody's listening to
What?
Winston now,
Miss
how will you
Buck.
feel like? So come. So you could see the graph now. If you look at the table, you realize that there are more students who
But sir,
are aged. Go ahead.
sir, I'm not seeing a new page with mine, you know. I am seeing where it is added to what was there first.
That is what you're going to see.
Okay,
That is
wonderful.
correct. That is correct.
Yes, good.
So if you notice now, there are more 14-year-old, 15-year-old, 11, and 10, right? And then now, I think maybe wondering, how could you have a 19-year-old in grade 9? But don't ask me, and I will not show the school where that happened. You have some schools where people are repeating and not doing well, and so. So that's why I'm saying that the ministry was able to know where problems are taking place so that they can address them. So you might think everything is okay, but in some of the schools, things are not really okay. So you could see now that there are 58.9% grade 9 students, and there are 41.1% grade 5 students. So, 5,186 students in all. So all of this easier to explain. And when you look at knowledge of HIV, majority said they know. That's 84.7% and 15.3%. And of course, only 2 said they don't know. So my recommendation is that it's better to finish your analysis before you export. You could do it that way. And if you think you're going to be forgetful, as you complete one, you could do the export. You could click X in that output. It will generate a new output for you. So it can be done that way. So having dealt with all this now, the age, if you go back to analyze, frequency, age is a scale variable. So let us remove sex to the left, grade to the left, do you know to the left, only age. Because age is a precise measurement. We could choose to have descriptive statistics for age. We could want to know the average age, the mean, the median, the mode, the standard deviation, the variance, the range, the minimum age, the maximum age. Whether age is skewed or not, we want to know. So go back to the box, remove all to the left except age, and go to statistics. And when you go to charts, all right, before you go to chart, click continue first. Have you finished this? Look at my mouse. Have you finished? Or you are still doing that? Are you through? Can I say continue? Can I continue? Can I click on continue? Winston and Daniel, can I click on continue?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
No, me click on continue. I never click on one. I think them do. Oh, me go back.
Repeat.
Go back.
I didn't get you.
I accidentally click on OK, but I realized that I didn't click one thing.
Problem. Just go back to analyze. So you can go to chat and select histogram.
Go to
Histogram.
chart. Go to
Yes.
statistics.
Yeah, to
I
start
should
all
go
over.
to statistics.
Yes.
Statistics.
Frequency.
Right.
Frequency.
Yes.
All right. Give me a few minutes. And when you go frequency now, Kimona, help him throughout. Give me 2 minutes.
Winston, where you at?
Now, frequency statistics. The mean, median, mode, deviation, variant, range, minimum, maximum. What else should I tick there? The value, our group, midpoints. Should I click on that?
Hold on, there, where you at?
Share. Oh, sorry, share. All right. Daniel, I am right where.
Yeah, click on, yo,
Yeah.
click on them.
Click on what? Yeah, man, I already clicked on them there. But should I click
I
on
want,
the value?
I one of them, you know, oh, yes, you type 2 sets of 3 we have on the left hand corner down at bottom. One of them, you know, if you click on. So there's 5 sitting, you must click down at bottom down there. So.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Okay.
And then I click mean, median, mode. Do I click anything else?
Yeah, that's it.
Because I say value our group, midpoints per server one.
You see that, Simon?
I say like something like that, but I might be just seeing wrong. I have on my glasses, so.
Standard deviation and then stuff to me, they think missing. You click.
Me not see that. All right, so click continue then.
Standard deviation, now you click out a 2 group trees down at left hand corner.
Yeah, man. Me click that,
Okay.
man. Me have all of that. Standard deviation, variance, range, minimum, maximum.
Yes, see there. And then I characterize.
You know, characterize. I'm not saying nothing about no characterize.
Distribution.
Hold on. Oh, me see what me never click. Screw. Okay, see it. I see what me never click. Hold on there. So Marvin, after me have all of them, the what me do?
Click continue.
Just continue. Good.
Continue. Now
Yeah.
go to chat.
Chat.
Click on histogram.
All right,
Ideally,
good.
to represent the age, histogram is good, along with to show normal curve to see whether the age distribute in what we call normal bell curve. So as you continue, and then we can say, okay, now let's look. You see this? Check your own for this. Look at the average age. Average age is 12.86. So we actually expect anybody from somewhere around grade 5 to 9, they should be around that age. The median age is 14. The popular age, which is mode, is 10. The standard deviation is 2.221. The variance is 4.932. The square root of that variance is what gives the standard deviation. If you have a calculator there now beside you, and you say square root of 4.932, the answer will be 2.221. Any one of you have a calculator there? To try
So,
to.
so sir, how my wanna say no minus is
No, man, I'm talking about variance and standard deviation.
okay, let me see where there. Yeah.
I say, if you have a calculator there now, give it a try. And put in 4.932 under the square root sign and see whether you get 2.221. For those who have calculator, what did you get? All right. So the skewness now, he said it is negatively skewed. Well, it's obvious. The mean is not the same as the median. The median is not the same as the mode. So when you have different values in terms of mean, median, mode, yes, it's going to be either positive or negative. And the reason why it is negative here is because if you notice, the mean is less than the median. So in the formula actually include the use of the mean and the median. And since the mean is less than the median, the calculation for the skewness will end up to be negative. So it actually implies that the age is negatively skewed. And we could see that in the diagram, you see it. See, you have a heel towards to the left, and you have the tail towards to the right. That is what we will say negatively skewed data. If it is not negatively skewed, it should be like we could have at equal halves, but that's not the case, because look at the mean. The mean is 12.86, the median is 14. So you have the mean over here, and you have the median over here. So it's actually a negatively skewed distribution for the age of the students. So we suggest that majority are varying age for that particular grade 5 to 9, that's what we expect, because we don't expect them to be same age, because since it's not just a particular group. So now, another thing we need to understand now is reliability of the statements. When we say reliability, we are saying, does the item mean the same thing to grade 5 students and grade 9 students? If we look at the questions, right, in variable view, these questions, do you think grade 5 students will understand it as grade 9, all of this? So when you, the researcher, develop a questionnaire, if your questionnaire has items that requires brainstorming, that requires ranking and all those things, which will make your respondent knowledge base to be identified properly, we need to do what we call reliability of those items. We need to be able to do reliability tests, whether it will be reliable in terms of what respondent A understand as the item is what respondent B understand as the same item. You will have done it, similar to item analysis, in your educational course. When you did undergraduate course up at GC first. You did item analysis? Where when you measure something and you use it again and again and you get the same result. Do you remember something like that? Or you don't? If you don't worry. So
Long
to
time I
do,
left school, sir.
that was 1950s.
I'm not at all.
Well, it's a long time. At least
Marvin, you walk into that one.
you could be a great grandpa with a walking stick. We don't know.
Yeah, easy, sir.
A lot of the ladies wants to be young, and a lot of the men want to be old. Why? Why that? Such is life.
Sir, I don't know what statistic what stats you have to say that, but because me you are young, I like the feeling of being young. I want to get younger.
Okay. You are one of a kind, not like the other person who just spoke. Okay. All right. So to do reliability of the item, because I'd already posted PowerPoint on reliability on the WhatsApp. So let me do it first, and then we can go to the PowerPoint. So to do reliability of the items, we could go analyze, follow me, and go to where do we find it now? Scale. Analyze, scale, you will see reliability analysis on the right. Are you there with me? Are you there with me? So,
Sir, I have a question for you. Now, when
right.
me ask the same question, how for your version look a bit better than mine? And are you give me? That the question the more answer.
Oh boy. All right. I give you SPSS 16. I am using SPSS 25.
Oh, think you're easy, sir. Think you're easy.
Because you said your computer was made in 1940 and you don't want to download your from the company.
Think you're easy. Think you're easy. Come here, wonder how few have so look right in the mind have. But you're good, man. You're good, man.
But you're trying to make sure say you get something that can work, and it's working. Is that correct? It's working.
This Ghana lead, sir. More than a work. Ghana lead.
Okay, analyze, scale, reliability analysis. So, what are the items that we really want to see how related they are? I think they will start from a person. So, if I want to take all of them one time, I'm going to give you the skill now. If I were you, I can highlight everything coming down. You could do it that way, or I could put have my keyboard with shift and page down, and or you can highlight and have everything to the right. Rather than taking them one by one until I reach the last one, and that might take some time. Continue. Continue.
You're good, man.
All right. Okay. We need to, there are various ways to do reliability. One of them is alpha as a procedure. Another one is split half. Another one is Gottman. Another one is parallel. Another one is strict parallel. So I would rather say the default alpha is okay. If you just say okay, it will produce the reliability index. The goal of the reliability index is for you to get something close to 0.7. 0.7 is like something that you should aim for, but this is 0.770. So this skill is very important. And in addition to this skill, we could also identify which of the item we need to reward so that we can improve to get 0.7 and above if we run into problems. All right. Let's go
So,
ahead.
sir, why 0.7 and
let me-
above is the
Alright.
score that
goal
you're
for-
aiming for?
All right. All right. You know, I promise that I'm going to go to the PowerPoint. Let me get the PowerPoint for the reliability. 1 second. So then I'll go back again because I have it on the WhatsApp, but open 1 second. 1 second. One second. Coming up. Okay, some persons have done research in the past, and based on the work they have done, 0.7 or something close to 0.7 in terms of what we should aim for is what is common in the literature. So it's like most primary school age around the world is for the person to be around 6 years of age. So most government want students to spend 6 years in primary school, maybe 6 or 8 years in high school, so it will have been proven elsewhere for us based on the literature. So are you seeing my screen now?
Yes, sir. I'm seeing the screen.
Yes, sir.
All right. So the reliability of a measuring instrument is defined as the ability of the instrument to measure consistently the phenomenon it is designed to assess. Reliability, therefore, refers to test consistency. So you have this in the WhatsApp, you know. So one of the methods is Cronbach alpha. That's what we just calculated now, you know. It is Cronbach alpha. It is very common to research to collect multiple measures of the same construct. For example, in a questionnaire designed to measure optimism, there are typically many items that collectively measure the construct of optimism. So the Cronbach alpha is what we just measured a while ago. That is the Cronbach alpha. So now that Chromback alpha, it has a value that we are aiming for. Look at it. If alpha is I 0.8 or higher, but some other literature will say 0.7 is okay. Anyway, we get 0.770 because as well round it off to be 0.8. So this is the resources. This Chromback alpha was proposed by Huda and Richardson. 1937. I wasn't born that time. A lot of person born 1937 may be dead by now. Am I correct,
Except Marvin.
Maybe a different Marvin, not this one online. It could have been. Yeah. So this information now is to help you to understand. This is a formula, but I would not ask you to be using the formula to do any calculation. No, just for noting. So the computer already have it built in, you know.
I get you, sir. I get you, sir.
Yeah,
So it is a standard, sir.
yeah, analyze, scale, reliability, model, and dragging. So you have this in the WhatsApp. Yeah, you have it there for you to read. So another thing that I want, let me go back again, is that if I repeat the same, analyze, and come to scale, reliability, and go to statistics and say, okay, give me any of the item that I need to delete. Scale, if item needs to be deleted. Like one of the items is what is making the score not to be near 0.7. One could use scale if item deleted. And if we do that now, you see, to give an idea, look, you see my screen now? So what it's saying is that if we remove this item or reward this, the score will be 0.768. If we reward this as well, it should be 0.769. So you could see it. You will see. You see? Like the student have a challenge with this one. You see, you notice point how much? 0.773, 0.774. So if we just even remove these two now and rerun, we will get 0.773. So these are the various ways researchers can know whether they need to adjust or revise the item during the pilot testing phase. We pilot tested this instrument in public school, private school. We did it over and over for about 100 students. Immediately when we get 0.7 up, we know that things will work. So we didn't just proceed to administer the questionnaire for the 5,000 plus students. We didn't do it that way. We do pilot testing. We run the alpha value like this over and over and over and over before we finally conduct the study. So I would like you to repeat everything we did tonight.
Sir, you're saying that this is for those who are doing quantitative research.
Everything we are doing now is a skill that is needed if you want to do quantitative research.
And if you are doing the mixed one too, I guess it would be needed.
Well, you will need it as well because when you say mix, you will need some knowledge of quantitative, some knowledge of qualitative as well. So to me, what I could say is that any knowledge gain is not bad. You just need knowledge to be able to address any problem you go through in life. But remember, for some person, their questionnaire may not have items that are the way we have it now. They may not have like it, scale items, they may not. So if you don't have that, then there'll be no need to do what I'm doing now. But if you have it, it will be good to test those items. So we're going to stop here. Come on Thursday, we will continue. No, this Thursday, I think we have a meeting at UTech, and I have to be a part of that meeting. Okay, this Thursday, there'll be no class.
If
I
you
will
hear
be,
I say yeah,
yeah. No, we have a meeting that I have to be part of that meeting. I might have to go in, I might have to be online and so on. I'm not sure. So, but I want to make my Thursday clear, whichever way it goes for me. So you could just use it Thursday to repeat everything that I do today. What do you think?
Yes, sir, no problem.
Yeah, just use it to do what I did today, because say there is no class does not mean say you can't use the hour to do some work, because everything is work same way. So, any question before we wrap up? Any question?
Boy, group silent though.
No, sir,
not
no
no,
question.
sir. Not no, sir.
Okay.
All asked out.
I think when you repeat to do it by yourself, you will know how much you know, and you'll be able to know where the gap lies. You see, WhatsApp is to discuss, But what I noticed is that some of you, WhatsApp, you don't use it that way. You could use the WhatsApp to ask questions. You don't need to wait until the class starts. If you don't remember something, just use the WhatsApp to initiate conversation. Maybe Daniel or Winston or Marvin will remember, and they will equally add value to the discussion to say, no, this is not the way it is done, this is the way it could be done. Am I right or wrong, Daniel?
Correct, sir.
So don't just and don't think that you have to get all the information from me. To be honest, everybody in the class can offer information as well. So let us maximize the WhatsApp group as we discussion regarding everything we have been talking about from beginning can be discussed as well. So it is not fair to be waiting for the work to be, let's get to the class, or you're waiting for the information to be dealt with. So I wish you all the best. So we'll see again on
Monday next week.
Monday next week, yeah. So if you want to build a question here now, you can be building them just to test your skills. So bye-bye for now. All the best. I wish you all the best.